Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get custom LED lamp notifications on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store and then download an app called NotifyBuddy. When it's ready, click on the open, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Right here we have battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it enabled as it is. So let's proceed. And then we can begin using the app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can enable any apps and allow them to get custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same thing, but with all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings, you can customize your LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen. Let's click on the test button and you should see your LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.